Ìdí lòṣèré tíátà Yorùbá yìí fẹ́ yọ ṣùgbọ́n ikùn rẹ̀ ló ń wú.
Alright my people, now welcome back to this channel. So now we dey bring on the latest and trending news as they happen, and so we dey talk about they bring on. This one not auto, this one not it does scatter. Alright my people, now welcome back to this channel. As now we dey bring on as the auto, we dey bring on. Yes, so this one auto one we see we want me to know. And ramota don't go do yan show, and the yan don't resort to in belly with the swell. When people make we watch the whole thing as they go, as she don't to say she want to make things happen for the acting career which she don't carry. So now the thing can land down for hospital. Instead making yash the swell, now belly the swell. My people make we just watch. Don't forget make hear your opinion for the comment section. I know so now person go I want advise this woman make you go do the yash, but then everything just resort to another thing. Instead make she get the yash now belly the swell up and everything just the pain her. My people be saying that people just do yash for the industry. So now she does make she do her own. No, based on say only God know the kind of person we say don't want to go advice and say if you want make heads for this industry, you know what you go do not to do yash. Until ramota don't do the yash, but this one it don't be guilt. And based on the fact say you know if you go do and for hospital in aboki go meet and aboki don't mix everything for her. They say the nylon self way she take carry the drugs come. If you not see the nylon I go wow, because now so drugs just full am. So and then I believe say people where they do this yash wey say they don't get the money to go hospital, they use other way round. Now it make them wey say you go see and say some people they do the yash you go work out well. Why some 3 to 4 months it learns to say now the yash go be like say they put fufu for inside water. My people make una know verse say I just describe this thing the way they come my mind. Aunty ramota the thing be say we just pray say may God give her quick recovery. As the thing was self, she knows they see shit, they shit. They see one of the drugs where we say she don't take, they allow and they shit. Oh, now this one I begin based on say person just want make heads. Who they give this kind of advice, my people? Who they give this kind of advice? Person say make you go do yash. Yash can resort to belly where they swear. Like person will get belly. People will get belly 3 months, 5 months. If you know big reach this one, my people, and tell matter don't do herself. Who will go blame for this matter? She make we blame her manager or the person we advise her make she do that yash. And again, person we no even get body. The worker advise you say make you do yash. Now so we see the case of aunty ramota, my people. Where will they go? Must you become an actress and then you must have a bomb? As well, I know say that no way we say people they like to call them without bomb or yash. My people, make una no forget. Make they hear your opinion for the comment section. Only God just know waiting wake up. Whether or not she even decides say she won't do am herself, my people. Whether or not she decides say she won't do am herself, but then waiting make her, waiting if he prompt and go. She no even get the money to go hospital. She just go meet one mala. Mala where they mix everything. Then they give her the drugs. She can't take her. And ever since then, and I need to see the pain where this woman they go through. They go through a lot, and I pay call results through the belly where they swell up. Even person where don't boss if in belly no big rich like that. Even people where they drink alcohol, their belly no big rich like this. My people make we hear your comment for the comment section. Make you also share the video in case person where we say it's sabi waiting she feel use, he go feel describe am for her. And again we just the advice say make she go the better hospital where they go fit help am or operate am or do something so that she go dey okay. As we dey bring on her for this channel DIGINAIJA 1 or 2 we dey bring on us the ultimate let am cool. My people make una enjoy. Alright my people, thank you for watching that short clip from this channel. We love to see you on our next one. If you haven't subscribed, do well to subscribe. Click on the notification bell to get more notification when we upload new videos. We will also like you if you find the video on this channel always informative. Do well to watch, like and share them as much as possible. Make people who are supposed to see them, make they see them, because if you life for your hand, maybe say people who are supposed to see them, now you be their savior where they need to see them. Do it to share them as long as possible, as many as possible. Yeah, they share them. As I know, saying that this channel will bring them the latest and trending news as they happen. Now will bring them, most especially for Nigeria. As I know now, make them not forget. Click on the notification bell, follow us for more, and let's hear your opinion in the comment section, because your opinion will be waiting. They paramount and they us will bring you. See you on our next one. Bye for now.